We took the world's fastest dirt bike, my 2008 Hayabusa, and we put a CMX snow bike kit on it. This is the first ride. It is, oh man. So in this box, it's a Power Commander 6. This potentially could save the motor from damage. And then in the other DynoJet box is a quick shifter. This is the one I'm most excited about.